Stop for a second. Neighbor's cattle dog. Female in heat. She's going back to smelling because we're not a threat. You good, kid? Do you have to mark like that? Here, we're gonna go left. She's fully where we're at. Roxie, we're gonna go left. Oh, here comes the puppies. Damn it. Walk up the leash. Hold on, Roxie, stop. We're not going. That's their yard. Let's go left. She's still there. I see him. I got you. Hold on, I got you. You ready? They're leaving. I wrap the leash because I feel I have control, because I know I've got a phone in my hand. Come on, Roxie, we're gonna go left. There used to be horses over here. There's not anymore. And she's squatting. Slow down, please. Still hasn't even noticed. Now you see her? Okay, stop. Stop. Yep, leash management, right? Stop. I got you, kid. Blue's tied up on his fence. Is she pretty? She says no. Roxie, let's go this way. She says no. Come on, let's go find her pee. Roxie, stop. Come on. She says no. Thank you. Let's go find her pee spot. Hold on, stop. There's her and the puppies. She's smelling Roxie's spot. Come on, let's go find her spot. Is that where she was? I think she was laying down over here actually for a minute. It's kind of squished. Did you pee next to her spot? Thank you. Is that an invitation to say hi? You ready? Roxie, left. Thank you. Good stop. Thank you. Here, and I'm gonna, hold on, stop. Sorry, Blue. Come on, Roxie. Let's go left. We're actually going to go back to the road and go to the right. Come on, she says no. Ready? I didn't see her pee on Roxie's spots. Come on, Rox. Let's go. Let's leave her alone, please. Come on, let's go play. You want to catch? Here. Show her some play behaviors. She's like, no, I got enough puppies for that. Roxie, catch. What is it? You ready? You want it? Roxie. Catch. Here, your twitch. See that your twitch? Here, stop. We're not going. Here, let's show her we can play. Ooh, what's this? Is this annoying? Is this annoying? Ooh. 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 She can see us play, and she still doesn't care. It's not getting her to play, but it's just show that Roxie's not a threat. Oh wait, there's a bigger one. Here. There's a bigger one. Right here. Oh, get that stick. And she's totally decided she's left. Give it to me. Give it to me. No, I want the stick. I want the stick. Good job. She left.